हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे यूआईसीसी एंड जीआईसी का जो लीगल असिस्टेंट मैनेजर की जो पोस्ट है उसका मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे अपन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। टोटल क्वेश्चंस अपन 50 सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। ओके, इसके बाद अपन इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन भी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं क्योंकि 21 यूएसएससी का पेपर है। ओके, तो उसके कल से मैं यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे पोस्ट करना स्टार्ट करूंगा। तो जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस मिल जाए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे। तो देखिए, विच सेक्शंस ऑफ मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट 1988 डिफाइन मोटर व्हीकल? आंसर इज सेक्शन 228। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड, under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, driver is defined as a person who drives in its control of motor vehicle. Which section defines this term? The answer is section 216. Next, third, what is the purpose of motor vehicle rules under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is to regulate driving license issuance. Second, to govern the safety of roads, and third, to provide guideline for registration and fitness of vehicle. The answer is all of the above. Next, fourth, which section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 mandate the registration of motor vehicle? The answer is section 39. Next, fifth, what is the penalty for driving motor vehicle without a valid registration under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is 2000 fine. Next, six, which section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deals with the issuance of driving license? The answer is section 3. Next, seventh, the validity of driving license issued under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 typically for? Answer is 5 years. Next, 8. What is the minimum age to obtain a private car driving license under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? Answer is 18 years. Next, 9. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, the registration mark of vehicle must be displayed. Answer is at the front and rear of the vehicle. Next, 10th, which section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deals with the construction, weight and safety of vehicle? The answer is section 48. Next, 11th, what is the penalty for jumping a red light under Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is 1005. Next, 12th, under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, what is the penalty for driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs? Answer is 1000 fine or imprisonment. Next, 13, under which section is penalty for using vehicle without insurance cover? The answer is section 146. Next, 14, what is the penalty for driving without a valid license under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is 1000 fine. Next, 15, what is the penalty for overspeeding under Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is 1000 fine. Next, 16, under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, who is required to maintain third party insurance for vehicles? The answer is both commercial and private vehicles. Next, 17, what is the minimum coverage required for third party insurance under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is injury or death of third party. Next, 18, the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 require motor vehicles to have which of the following type of insurance? The answer is third party liability insurance. Next, 19, under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, compensation for death or injury caused by motor vehicle accident can be claimed from? Answer is the driver of the vehicle, vehicle owner, the insurance vehicle insurance company. The answer is all of the above. Next, 20, What is penalty for failing to produce insurance document when demanded by police officer under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? Answer is 1000 fine. Next, 21. Which section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 provide for constitution of Road Safety Fund? Answer is section 164A. Next, 22. Which of the following offence is covered under section 185 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988? Answer is driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Next, 23. The penalty for using mobile phone while driving is covered under which section of Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is section 182. Next 24. Which section provide for prevention of dangerous driving and penalty under Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is section 184. Next 25. Which authority is responsible for ensuring compliance with provision of Motor Vehicle Act 1988? Answer is देखिए state government, okay, then Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, then Police Department. Means answer is all of the above. Next, 26. Which sections of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deal with the procedure for claim in case of accident? Answer is section 166. Next, 27. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 mandate the establishment of tribunal for resolving claim related to accident. Which section deal with this? Answer is section 165. Next, 28. What is the maximum amount of compensation that can be awarded under the Vehicle Act 1988 for death in motor vehicle accident? Answer is 10 lakh. Next, 29. The claim for compensation in case of accident are handled by, answer is Motor Accident Claim Tribunals. Next, 30. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, who can file a claim for compensation in case of death or injury from motor vehicle accident? Answer is the legal heir or representative of victim. Next, 31. Section 128 of Motor Vehicle Act 1888 deal with the use of seat belts. Next, 32. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, Motor Accident Fund is established for, answer is compensation to accident victim without insurance. Next, 33. The penalty for allowing an unlicensed person to drive motor vehicle is specified in which section? Answer is section 23. Next, 34. Which section empower the government to make rule for the safe operation of motor vehicles? Answer is section 66. Next, 35. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, what is the maximum penalty for driving a vehicle without permit? Answer is 2000. Next, 36. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 introduced fine for not wearing helmet. What is the fine? The answer is 1000. Next, 37. As per Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019, the fine for using mobile phone while driving has been increased. The answer is 2000. Next, 38. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 made it mandatory for every vehicle owner to provide. The answer is proof of insurance, pollution under control means PUC certificate, then fitness certificate for commercial. The answer is all of the above. Next, 39. According to the Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019, the fine for overspeeding has been increased to, answer is 2000. Next, 40. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 introduced the provision for creation of National Road Safety Board under which section? The answer is section 164A. Next 41. What is the maximum penalty for driving motor vehicle without permit under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? The answer is 2000 fine. Next 42. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, the penalty for driving without helmet on a two-wheeler. The answer is 1000 fine. Next 43. Which of the following is considered offense under the 182 of Motor Vehicle Act 1888? तो आंसर इज देखिए, राइडिंग अ मोटरसाइकिल विदाउट हेलमेट, ड्राइविंग अ मोटरसाइकिल विदाउट वैलिड डॉक्यूमेंट एंड ओवरलोडिंग अ व्हीकल. तो आंसर इज all of the above. Next 44. Section 166A of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deal with compensation for accident in case of. The answer is death, permanent disability, injury. The answer is all of the above. Next 45. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, a person who failed to stop when required by police officer in uniform can be fined up to. Answer is 2000 rupees. Next 46. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 mandate that every vehicle must have which of the following? Answer is देखिए, first aid kit, fire extinguisher, speed governor. Answer is all of the above. Next 47. What is the maximum permissible weight of vehicle including its load according to the Motor Vehicle Act 1988? Answer is 18,000 kg. Next 48. Under section 128 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, use of seat belt is mandatory for. Answer is both driver and front seat passenger. Next 49. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988 empower the central government to prescribe the standard for which of the following? Answer is देखिए, road sign, speed limit, safety measure. The answer is all of the above. Next 50. Under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, the government can establish National Road Safety Board to focus on. The answer is देखिए, road safety education, vehicle safety standard and accident prevention strategy. Answer is all of the above. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा अपना मॉक पेपर प्लस सब्जेक्ट वाइज एमसीक्यूज प्लस इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस अपन सॉल्व करेंगे. यूआईसीसी का पेपर 21 को है, तो उसके हिसाब से अपन यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.